What's tomorrow?
The election day.
And what do we do on election day?
Pick the president.
And who are you going to vote for?
For Barack Obama.
Oh, okay. Are you going to vote for Romney?
No, because...
Because what?
Because I don't like him.
You don't like him?
I do like him.
Okay. Well, why aren't you going to vote for him?
Because I do like him, but I like him. I don't like him policies.
You don't like his policies? Oh, okay. But we still love Romney, right?
Yeah, we still love him.
But
I should be a friend though.
You will still be his friend?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Well, tell everybody to go vote tomorrow.
Okay.
Say go vote.
Okay. Go vote.
And who are they going to vote for?
For Barack Obama.